Ever wondered how that convenient text message reminder from your doctor or that order confirmation from your favorite online store magically appears on your phone? It's all thanks to platforms like Twilio, a powerful communication tool that's revolutionized the way businesses connect with customers through SMS. Let's dive into the inner workings of Twilio text messaging in the next minute. First, picture this: your application, whether it's a website, a mobile app, or even a simple script, needs to send a text message. Does this by making a request to Twilio's API. Think of the AP as a messenger, following predefined instructions. This request includes all the necessary information, like the recipient's phone number, to message you want to send, and your Twilio account credentials for security and authorization. Next, Twilio receives this request and gets to work. It validates your credentials, ensures you have enough credit in your account, and then uses its connections to telecommunication networks worldwide to route the message to the correct mobile carrier. These carriers, in turn, are responsible for delivering the message to the recipient's phone, no matter where they are in the world. This global reach is one of Twilio's biggest strengths. But the process doesn't stop there. Twilio also provides valuable feedback. It tracks the message delivery status and sends updates back to your application, confirming whether the message was successfully delivered, is still pending, or failed for some reason. This real-time feedback allows you to monitor your messaging campaigns, troubleshoot issues, and optimize your communication strategies for better engagement and reliability. So, from appointment reminders to marketing promotions, Twilio's seamless text messaging capabilities are transforming businesses of all sizes, connecting them with their customers in a simple, reliable, and efficient way.